Well, the only thing I want to say, thank you for joining us when we do those kind of things. I think we have fantastic companies in our membership, and it keeps me kind of live and kicking to work with those guys, and also full of hope, because a lot of things we have problems with today we can actually solve with technology, obviously. So and remember the IoT again, as I said in the beginning, IoT is now actually in the slope of enlightenment. And we are on our way to the plateau of productivity, and we are in big business. And finally, it took a long time because it's very difficult to connect things to real world, especially old things, already existing things. But now we're there, and this is a very important thing because IT really enables all the big things that we're looking for: the AI development, the surveillance, the security, all those kind of big things is actually enabled by connecting the physical world to internet by IoT. Anyway, thank you so much for today. I'll leave you to it, and I hope to see you soon again. And if you have any questions or anything, just drop me an email or call me or what have you. And as I said before, we will actually send you a post event mail with all the contact details. And a little bit in a couple of days, we also have the presentations on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much to the speakers and everybody else. Have a great continuation of the day, guys.